$5,000 cooking robot shocked the world with its delicious dishes. Many people dream of the day when they can have a robot that prepares food without the need for help. If you are one of them, you won't have to wait long to see this dream come true. Although it seems something out of the future, there is a robot that not only cooks autonomously, but also does the dishes. A British technology company, Moly Robotics, has showcased the world's first robotic kitchen at CES 2021. The system features a dexterous robot integrated into a luxury kitchen that prepares freshly cooked meals at the touch of a button and even do the dishes afterward. At the heart of the new technology are two robotic arms featuring fully articulated hands to make the cooking process flexible. Moly Robotics created these two arms in partnership with Shunk Company. The rapid advancements in robotics have entered the kitchen, turning science fiction into reality. Among the trailblazers in this culinary revolution is Toyota's Motoman SDA-10, a humanoid robot that excels at cooking. With two mechanical arms featuring 7 joints each, this 135 centimeters tall, 220 kilograms robot masterfully prepares dishes like pancakes and okonomiyaki, a Japanese savory pancake. Though legless, its precise movements make it a standout performer in culinary tasks, from mixing ingredients to flipping pancakes with finesse. However, questions about the actual taste of its creations remain unanswered. The upper arms are said to be able to reproduce the movements of the human arms quite accurately. The set has a wide range of sensors, cameras, and technology that allows the arms to take the ingredients they need from the shelves or the refrigerator, to select the utensils they are going to use to prepare the recipe, to prepare the dish, mix and plate up just as a human cook would. Unlike a human, however, the cooking robot even cleans up after itself, without complaint. Currently, the menu that Moly Robot can cook up to more than 5,000 dishes, and owners will also have the ability to add their favorite recipes. Every month, the Moly Robot will be updated with new recipes to help the owner's menu become more diverse. The cameras allow it to detect and clean up any spilled food, while an integrated ultraviolet lamp helps it to rid kitchen surfaces of germs. The company points out that the price of this robot chef and its integrated kitchen ranges between 30,000 and 55,000 pounds, depending on the configuration chosen. The Smart Internet of Things, IoT-enabled kitchen is also available on its own and includes a smart fridge and storage area that warns when ingredients are running low or close to their expiry dates, along with an oven, induction hob, and sink. Japan's labor shortages have spurred innovative solutions like connected robotics robotic kitchen. These fully automated systems can prepare traditional Japanese dishes, handle payments, and even clean up. A standout example is a noodle shop robot capable of cooking up to 40 portions per hour, streamlining operations and ensuring efficiency. Using advanced AI and machine vision, these robots can handle delicate ingredients and monitor cooking processes, reducing their reliance on human staff. Robots competing with chefs. Popular culinary blogger Nick DiGiovanni put 3 cutting-edge culinary robots to the test, comparing them to human chefs. Among them, Neo from 1X Technologies stole the spotlight. Standing 165 centimeters tall and weighing just 30 kilograms, Neo's manipulators mimic human hand movements, allowing it to cut, mix, and cook with precision. With a jogging speed of 12 kilometers per hour and a payload capacity of 20 kilograms, Neo is as agile as it is skilled. Its muscle-like anatomy, combined with continuous learning, makes it a promising addition to any kitchen. Singapore's Ratio Cafe and Lounge showcases the future of beverage preparation. Using robotic arms, the cafe offers over 50 drink options, prepared with high precision and consistency. Customers can place orders through an app, and the robots handle the rest, ensuring an interactive experience. In Tokyo, Sawyer the coffee-making robot has streamlined cafe operations, preparing up to 5 cups simultaneously while replacing multiple human employees. Bangkok's Hajime Robot Restaurant takes a playful approach, with samurai robots serving food and entertaining diners. China's startup Astrobot introduced S1, an AI-powered humanoid chef capable of intricate kitchen tasks like pouring wine and preparing sandwiches. Its speed and precision make it a marvel of modern robotics. In Britain, Moly Robotics unveiled the world's first personal chef robot, priced at a staggering $333,000. Trained by Chef Tim Anderson, it performs professional-grade cooking and cleaning, boasting a repertoire of 5,000 recipes. In the fast food sector, miso robotics Flippy has gained traction, frying foods and reducing kitchen workloads in major chains like White Castle. Rich Tech Robotics Atom Robot specializes in bubble tea, creating drinks with flair and efficiency. Similarly, Scorpion, a robotic bartender, delivers personalized cocktails with precision, enhancing customer experiences. Stanford University's Mobile Aloha is a breakthrough in affordable robotics, costing just $332,000, a fraction of traditional high-end robots. Capable of complex tasks like frying shrimp or cleaning utensils, this open-source system is paving the way for widespread adoption of robotics in everyday life. Robotics is rapidly transforming kitchens worldwide, with Toyota Research Institute leading the charge. Their generative AI technology enables robots to learn over 60 dexterous skills, from pouring liquids to manipulating deformable objects. By 2025, Toyota aims to equip robots with over 1,000 skills, potentially revolutionizing domestic and professional kitchens. As robotics continues to evolve, the $5,000 cooking robot represents just the beginning of a culinary revolution that blends automation, precision, and creativity. While traditional chefs may not be fully replaced anytime soon, robots are undeniably reshaping the culinary landscape with their innovative abilities and efficiency. Japanese company Denso Wave has unveiled Kabata, a high-speed, ultra-lightweight collaborative robot designed to ensure productivity and safety in various tasks. Weighing only 4 kilograms, excluding cables, and with a payload capacity of 0.5 kilograms, Kabata is equipped with a user-friendly graphical interface for intuitive programming. Its direct teaching function allows users to guide the robot's movements manually, eliminating the need for programming knowledge. Kabata can also be controlled remotely using a tablet PC. Ideal for simple assembly, sorting, and inspection tasks, Kabata enables the creation of flexible production lines. Tesla's humanoid robot, Optimus, recently showcased its abilities as a bartender during the robotaxi presentation, serving drinks and interacting with guests. Elon Musk revealed that Optimus is being trained via neural networks to excel in cooking and various household tasks. Musk predicts the mass production of over 1,000 Optimus units by next year, with applications spanning from childcare to lawn mowing, setting a new standard for robotic versatility. In China, KI Robot Catering Group has launched a fully automated restaurant, where over 40 robots manage cooking and serving. Capable of preparing 200 dishes, including traditional Chinese cuisine, the robots ensure hygiene and efficiency by minimizing human contact. Orders are placed via touchscreen interfaces, and food is delivered through a SkyRail system. Trained to mimic professional chefs, these robots prepare up to 120 dishes per hour, serving 600 guests with unparalleled speed and precision. Miso Robotics has introduced Flippy 2, an AI-powered robotic arm designed to streamline fast food operations. Flippy 2 grills burgers, packages fries, and pours drinks while attached to rails for controlled movement. Its AI system handles tasks like grinding beef and adding sauces with precision. Currently supervised by human staff, Flippy 2 could soon operate autonomously, revolutionizing the fast food industry. French startup PZ2I Robotics has created the world's first fully autonomous pizza-making robot. This system can produce up to 100 pizzas per hour, automating every step from dough kneading to baking. Recipes developed with the help of a world pizza champion ensure quality and taste. PZ2I's software oversees inventory, quality control, and scheduling, offering a high-tech, efficient solution for pizzerias. German startup Good Bites has introduced a robotic kitchen assistant capable of preparing 150 meals per hour. Powered by AI, the system supports personalized cookbooks, menu enhancements, and business scaling through virtual brand licensing. This assistant streamlines kitchen operations, reduces labor costs, and expands menu possibilities, making it a game-changer for large-scale food production. Japanese pub chain Yorinotaki is testing a robot bartender by QBIT Robotics. This system mixes cocktails and pours beer within seconds, using cameras and AI to recognize customers' faces and moods. Despite its slower pace compared to human bartenders, The robot appeals to introverted patrons who prefer minimal social interaction. Priced at $88,200, this innovation could reshape Japan's hospitality industry. Israeli company Kitchen Robotics has developed Bistro, an automated kitchen system capable of preparing 45 dishes per hour using 35 ingredients. Already operational in the U.S., Bistro reduces labor costs by 75% and food waste by 33%. This system offers an eco-friendly and efficient solution for restaurants seeking to modernize operations. Hyperfood Robotics has designed a container kitchen equipped with robotic arms, sensors, and AI cameras. Hyperfood Robotics has designed a container kitchen equipped with robotic arms, sensors, and AI cameras. These robots prepare up to 50 pizzas per hour, handling everything from dough kneading to cleaning. The self-cleaning feature ensures hygiene, making it an innovative addition to the fast food industry. Aura, created by Singapore's Millennium Hotels and Resorts, specializes in preparing omelets and fried eggs autonomously. This robot addresses labor shortages by efficiently handling breakfast service. Future updates aim to expand Aura's capabilities to other egg-based dishes, blending interactivity with convenience. 1X Robotics has introduced Eve, a humanoid robot capable of complex tasks, including cooking. With AI-driven natural language understanding, Eve can create recipes and execute intricate culinary processes. This robot represents a significant leap in culinary robotics, blending creativity with precision. Dexai Robotics Alfred Robot specializes in salad preparation, offering a scalable, efficient solution for restaurants. Using AI, Alfred adapts over time, becoming faster and more accurate. This model is already in use on U.S. military bases, showcasing its versatility and reliability. Chicago's Nala Robotics has developed an AI-powered kitchen system, Nala Chef, capable of creating dishes based on generative AI suggestions. This system optimizes ingredient use, reduces food waste, and offers cost-effective solutions for kitchens of all sizes. In East Africa, Nairobi's Robot Cafe features CLAR-24 and Nadia, robot waiters that deliver food directly to tables. These robots use advanced navigation to ensure efficient service, blending human warmth with technological precision for a unique dining experience. German company Dino Robotics GmbH has developed a robot capable of performing precise food preparation tasks. Using 2D and 3D visualization, the robot interacts with kitchen tools and ingredients, automating processes from chopping to cooking with unmatched accuracy. Russian company GBL Robotics Monte Cafe automates coffee preparation, serving desserts and snacks in high-traffic areas. The robot guarantees consistent quality and speed, making it an ideal solution for busy cafes. With a production cost of $20,000, Monte Cafe is an affordable and versatile option for coffee establishments. Meal prep just got considerably easier thanks to a robotic kitchen assistant that will cook 5,000 different recipes from scratch, and even do the dishes afterwards. The automated kitchen can gather ingredients from a smart fridge, fill pans, mix, pour, adjust hob temperatures, and serve up, just like a regular cook would. Unlike a human, however, it will never complain about having to do the washing up. The age of robotic culinary innovation is here, reshaping the way food is prepared, served, and enjoyed. Whether enhancing efficiency or elevating dining experiences, these robots promise a blend of technology and creativity that is revolutionizing the culinary world.